Oh, you got one? Nice. Good morning, YouTube. Well, we are here at a lake house in
Holland, Michigan.
Holland, Michigan. And check out the view. Well, we're gonna have to go down. But check it out. There's like a little river down, or a little creek down there. But we'll give you guys a better view in a bit. Yo, check out our deck, man. Our patio. There's like two different areas. Guys, sorry about the wind. It is really windy, but this is the creek that we saw, and we are hoping to land something in here. Hopefully, there you go. Yeah, the wind should be a little blocked off. Get a little clear view of what we're working with here. Yeah, this area is really nice. It looks good, too good not to catch anything. Check it out. Yeah, so we are here at our first location. I don't know what to think of it, honestly. Hopefully there's something in here. It's really shallow. Oh, got something.
Yay!
Oh, got a baby largemouth.
Oh, baby largemouth.
Little baby largemouth. All right, at least I know it's not a skunk. Cause you know we're fishing in, oh no, unknown territories. Well, this fish is cold. The water is cold. But yeah, got one on the 13 Fishing Pro B micro crankbait. Look at that guy. All right, let's send him back. Oh. All right. Gotta get this up, please. All right, let's do it again.
Oh, now we got the voice.
Okay.
Anything else?
Well, that's it. That'll be good.
Here?
All right, so my wife is over there with waxworms. She hasn't gotten any bites over there near the branches and the laydowns. I just tied up my Wish app lure, trying to see if I could catch any small dinks in here. Yeah, let's give it a go.
I wish I had a Boy Scout.
Yeah, she's trying to get through that guilt trip to do it.
I was already planning on going over there. Yeah.
I was getting bites underneath that log, near that log. Right here. I caught a baby panfish. The little bluegill, or this.
Oh.
Did you know it was on there?
Yeah.
You think he was on biting the worm?
Yeah, I think so. This little guy.
Greedy, yeah. That's the junior.
Yeah, got one.
He can't handle.
Keep them. Can we use them for bigger fish?
We can, but we have all that cut bait. Do you want it?
Well, I would like to go fishing in the state park.
The state park probably has bigger panfish.
Okay.
Oh no, I just dipped my dang reel in there.
Yeah, you probably just give it to me
Yeah.
to hold.
Yeah.
I know you love it and table tennis, you're a little embarrassed, but like...
Buddy, go. Yeah.
Yeah, and I kicked his butt.
He ain't kick anything.
He literally goes, alright, last point wins.
I didn't say last point wins.
And he goes, no, we're not going out on that point. Next one.
That's something. Oh, that's a bigger one. That's a bigger bass with this Wish app. Wish app.
Wish app?
Yeah, my Wish app lure. Look at that.
Wish app comes in clutch. I love the Wish app.
Yeah, that thing, that's pretty nice. Okay, hold it. Oh, that's, I don't want my sand to get into the. Ooh, boy. Not bad. I don't think I'm gonna get anything bigger in here, but yeah, that's pretty nice. Little pounder. Nice. See, that's why I didn't want to walk in there yet. Oh, I had something. Crap. I had something. Freaking had something, lost it. Ah. You're getting bites right there.
I know, it was really just... Watch, she's gonna pull up, there's gonna be not even something else.
Oh, right there. They're right there. To her. Yeah, you're getting, there's a bunch of panfish right here. And what I'm just gonna put fake wax worms on this crankbait and see if it works. Oh, you got one? Nice.
That's my people.
Nice, got a bluegill. I'll take it
Oh,
out.
they bluegill.
Her baby bluegill.
That's a pretty one.
Here, hold it. Remember it.
It makes it look bigger on the screen.
Oh, wait. Do not move. That would have been horrible. Giant. Look at this giant. You want to take a picture?
If I had it in my hand, yes.
You wanna release it? Maybe we could get a good clip of you releasing it. Oh, no releasing it that time. Set it. Nice.
There goes the piranha.
Looks like one.
I know, it looks like
Another bluegill. You know, there's a bunch of the same type of.
Beautiful.
Take it off. What? When was I gonna take it off?
right now.
He's shaking. Yeah, no, it's okay. I got you. Want to set? You want to release it?
It's okay.
No bluegill.
You're lucky you got enough food for this
Right. That's pretty cool. That's tight.
You can hear the waves